Hey everyone, Denver Pilates girl here. Today bringing you another tip to help you out with those tight hamstrings, and it's great for people who suffer from sciatica. It's a little bit of nerve flossing. So we're going to use a yoga strap. Now if you don't have one, I'll show you an option to do without. So let's start on our back without the strap for reference. So we're going to take the leg that's bothering us if we had sciatica. We'll start with the right. Stack your hands on top of each other. Extend your leg. Now this might be enough for you. And bend it. All the while your belly's still engaged downward towards your spine. And you're just bending and straightening the leg. Now we'll do about 8 to 10 repetitions. If you're on my program, I'll program that for you. And hold the position. If you need a pillow under your head, roll up a towel and place it there so your neck is in a nice straight line. And bend. Now let's try that same range of motion with the strap. We're going to put it on your foot. Grab close to the knee. Once again, my knee is right in line with my hip. And extend the leg and bend. Now if you find your arms aren't going straight, grab a little closer towards your foot. Extend the leg and bend. A lot of times people with sciatica have really tight glutes, and that's because the sciatic nerve sits under the piriformis muscle, and it can wreak havoc if it is tight. And we're just going to hold the last one for a few seconds. Then of course we would repeat it on the other side and progress the exercise as it gets easier. I will come up and face you. So hopefully that helped you out. If you have any comments, leave them in the description box. Until next time, I'll see you on your mat. Bye.